model, 2016 Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited 1.6 TDCI non-runner engine knocking no bad. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 205,328. MOT, the 11th of April 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge will start, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash, engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, electric windows, parking sensors, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740 1